Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the light pipe with a row of 5 in your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because some of the lights aren't working properly. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the control knob off. All I have to do is pull straight out, and now we'll turn the dryer around. So we need to remove these 2 screws right here. We're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver. And once we've got those screws out, we can pull the top back and then lift it off and put it off to the side. So now we're going to unscrew these 2 screws here. And we'll take off the grounding wire. And now you can lift up on the control panel. And now we'll unplug all these wires here. And just make sure when you're removing these wires that you're pushing it on the tabs to release the wires from the board. So this is our electronic control board. And to get this off of our control panel, we're just going to need to remove all the screws now. Now we got a couple more screws that are inside that we have to get out. Now that we've got all of the screws out, we can lift up on the control board and separate it from the control panel. So this is our group of 5 light pipe. So we'll just pull that straight out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement light pipe. And if you don't have it already, you can find it on our online store. And now to put the light pipe in, all you have to do is line up each rod and slide it straight down until it's in place. So now we're going to line up the pin here with that hole, and everything else should line up nicely if we can get that into there. So now we've got that set into place, and now we can screw it all back down. So I'll start by putting the screws into the middle pieces here again. So now we'll plug all of our wires back in. There we go. So now we're going to slide our control panel up, and you're going to line up the holes down here with the little tabs that are sticking out. And we're just going to reattach our grounding wire here. Now we're just lining up our holes and screwing it back in. Now we'll put the top panel back on. And when we do this, we'll just slide it all the way forward until it's in place. And then line up your screw holes and screw it back in. There we go. Now we can turn it back around. And we can put our control knob back on. There we go. And your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, pcappliancerepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.